Welcome in the coding part of ETL. First thing is the import pandas as PD, and the df is equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. The first line imports the pandas library, allowing you to use its function with shorthand. In the second line, read the CSV file from specified path and stores in a data frame. The df displays the contents of data frame, and that is the data in the CSV file. This line installs the request library that allows to send HTTP requests in Python. Next, the imports request library to use its function to make HTTP requests, like getting data from web API. Requirement is already satisfied, and etc. Next, the response. This line sends a GET request to the specified URL to retrieve data. The response from the server is stored in the variable response, and that is the URL of API. Then API underscore data is equals to response.json. This converts the response from the server into a Python dictionary or list depending on the data structure, and stores it in the variable API data. Mongo client class from PyMongo library, which allows you to connect a MongoDB database. This line reads a CSV file from specified path and stores its contents in a data frame. And the response is the API URL. And print API underscore data, it shows the output. And that is the output that we get from the API link or URL. Next, URL of the API. Then if response that status underscore code equal 200, this line checks if the status code responds to 200, which indicates a successful request. The API underscore data underscore df is equals to PD that data frame it converts the API data into data frame. pd.concat is used to combine data frames. It stacks CSV underscore data and API data underscore df vertically, and the axis indicates data frames should be concatenated vertically. And that's the result. To transform data, merge data GPA merge data GPA accesses the GPA column, and the fill now replaces any non-values in the GPA column with 0. The apply function each element in the GPA column. Client creates connection to a MongoDB server. Mongo client class is used to interact with the database. ETL Mongo accesses a database in the MongoDB instance. Is the collection name within the ETL Mongo database. The df data frame to a list of insert all of these records the ETL collection to MongoDB database. Creates index on a GPA field of the student's collection. The number 1 indicates the index will be created in ascending order. This line queries the student's collection for documents where the GPA is greater than or equal to that. Method provides information about the query execution plan that helps how MongoDB processes the query. Indexes how many documents it examines and the execution time.